everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Sunday to everybody. I'm back to do a haul video. I actually met up with my good friend Sophia, Paper Sweets on YouTube. Hey girl. We decided to meet up at Joann's. I've been forever wanting to go to Joann's, and I was looking for a specific Heidi Swapp memory decks kit. So anyway, we had met up, and I'm going to show you a few things that I had purchased over there. So first of all, I did not find what I was looking for at the first Joann's that I went to when I met up with Sophia. But we did find some other cute things, like these Aunt Lydia's crochet thread. Sophia actually found these, and we were also looking at embroidery floss. So we were in that section, and this is really pretty. Now these weren't on sale, but as you can see, you get quite a bit. So we were looking for something to do some stitching with instead of just your regular thread. So I'm gonna give this a go and see, but you could also crochet, you know, little flowers or just little embellishments if you want to. But I don't have any gold thread, and this is silver, so these were not on sale. They were for something. So a little pricey, but I did use a coupon on one of them, so that brought it down a little bit. So yeah, but these unfortunately were not on sale. And then we were gonna look at some of the Maggie Home stuff, or we were in that section. I was looking at paper, but then I thought, no, I shouldn't get any more paper. I ended up just getting a couple of embellishments. So I liked these paper clips, and I thought they would be perfect for, I'm getting ready to do a travel album. So I wanted to get the globe and the little airplanes, and I thought these were super cute, and they are part of Paige Evans' Horizon paper collection. And then I saw this, and I have Jen Hatfield's, one of her, oh, is it, I forgot what the collection is, but they kind of all coordinate. But I thought these were really pretty, and I've seen some people haul this, I think even from Tuesday Morning, but I never did find this. But it's from Heart of Home, that paper collection, which I don't have that collection, but it still coordinates with the other Jen Hatfield collections. So I really love the rosettes and the frames and the heart, everything. And I just really mainly got it for inspiration, because as you can see, they're just really pretty embellishments, and they're tiny. They are tiny. So I got those from the Hildy and Joe. All I got were these scrunchies, and these were on sale. I want to say, I think it was like 60% off or 70% off. So I'm always looking for these, because I have really long hair, and great to, you know, put that up. Okay, so since I didn't find that Memory Decks box that I was looking for, I decided to give this one a try, and this is actually a paper mache box set. So it's a 3-piece nesting set, and they measure lengthwise 5-inch, 6-inch, and 7 inches. So this is the biggest one. It's 7 inches by, I think it's a little bit over 4 inches, like maybe 4.5 wide. Let me see if I can find my, so I thought this would be perfect for a memory decks. Oh look, it's 4 3/4, so it's very roomy in there. Perfect depth. Sorry, I can't talk here. And yeah, I didn't want to get like the really long boxes. So I thought I'd paint it, and then even maybe put a, you know, like a little metal plate over here just like the Heidi Swapp one. So yeah, I got that. Next, Sophia and I went to the wedding section, and they had these on clearance, and it was such a great deal. Usually regular price $6.99. These save the date table runner, it's a table runner, 14 inch by 84 inch, which is quite a lot, as you can see. So let me show you. Yeah, these were on clearance. It's already like look at the packaging is all busted, but oh my gosh, you guys, these are great because they feel like vinyl. So aren't these great to make bows? I'm sorry, I can't quite get it out, but this is how it looks like. And the back has like a fabric, you know, like your tablecloths, like those vinyl tablecloths, but it's metallic and you get so much of it. So this was on sale for like $2 something. I think it was like let me see, $2.60. And Sophia had found it, and there was only 2 left, and so she gave me one. So yay, thank you, girl. $2.60. So that was the best deal at that Joann's that we went to. And then lastly, the only other thing I got was this little boat, this wooden canoe, which was on sale too. And I thought I was gonna use my coupon, but it turned out to be like, I think it was like $3. A really great deal, $3.99. So yeah, so this was a good deal because it's regularly $9.99, and I thought it would be cute to do a summer project with this. When I took a class from Frank Garcia, we made these tags, and then he has a tray where you can put the tags in, and I thought, oh my gosh, this kind of looks like a tray like that, but look, it's in the shape of a canoe. So I thought, oh, what a perfect you know, summer project. So I think I'm gonna paint it, and then I can like make some tags. You could even use it like a shadow box, and then just put paper on it, right? And just make it a shadow box. Wouldn't that be cool? You can put an anchor, or, you know, anything like sea themed. So I thought, oh my gosh, that's really cute. And so that was the idea I had. It's designed to hang on your wall, actually. So it is some kind of a wall, for wall decoration. So I just happened to lose the screw in the store, but that's how it's supposed to attach to, and then you can hang it. But anyway, that is what I got at that one Joann's that we went to. And then on my way home, I decided, you know what? I'm going to check out my Joann's near me. Now, I haven't been there in a really long time because they're actually closing. I didn't know if they had already moved, if, you know, it was still even there. But they're closing the store and then opening another one. When I walked in, I saw the bead section, so of course I had to check it out. So these are all 70% off. So this one, which rang up as $8.99, minus 70% off. So this one is a little bit pricier, but everything else was cheaper. You know, I didn't buy anything else this expensive, but you guys know around summertime, I like my summer charms, and I do use my charms for all kinds of stuff on my projects. And these are little starfish with bling in the middle. And I just thought they were really cute. So I decided to get that since it was on 70% off clearance. And then I decided to get some bead caps, and there were other beads there, but I didn't spend a lot of time in that section because I was on the hunt for the Heidi Swapp stuff. But this is $2.99, you guys. Okay, this is a Hildy and Joe. They're bead caps. There's 12 of them. It looks pretty ornate too. So I don't know what it is right now about bead caps, but I'm loving bead caps. So yeah, 70% off that, $2.99. And then these are some more bead caps, and these are 9mm ones. And look, isn't that pretty? I thought they were really pretty. So I thought this would be fun to use, you know, for making dangles or charms. And then I almost got this online, actually. I was looking at these, they're crimp beads, but I like that it comes in 2 different sizes. And since I've been like doing like jewelry and stuff, I didn't do this one, but I saw that when Anna had given me some beads, she used some bead caps to hide the little knot from the stretchy band. So I thought, oh, that's a great idea. So I've used crimp beads before, but I thought I tried this kind. I don't know if this is the one you used, Anna, but look at this one. This one's huge. So I thought, hey, I'm going to give that a try. And it was $5.49, but it was 70% off. So I got that, and that's all I got at the bead section. But I did find some planner things. And these, now I thought this was already the clearance price right here, $9.97. But when I asked the lady, she said it's 70% off, you know, minus another additional 70% off. So I was like, wow. So I had to get these. These came out to about $2.99, I think, which I thought was pretty amazing. So yes, I got this one. It's called, it says Practice Journal, and it comes with the graph sheet, but it's basically like a TN, right? A traveler's notebook. And for that price, I thought, oh, I'm gonna get it. So I like these 2. I think these were the only 2 colors. I'm not sure, but I only got 2. So that was a score there. And then I found this right here, which is a Heidi Swapp storage binder. And I thought, oh my gosh. And it was $6.47 minus 70% off. So you guys, I got this for like $1.97, I think, or it was less than $2. Oh my gosh. So this reminds me of my planner, but I'm planning to use it for a memory book or a mini album. So this is how it looks like. I thought I'd show you guys so I can also show Sophia, because I haven't given her hers yet. So it says tell your story. Isn't that it's really pretty? And you can it has a book plate on there, and I love that it's gold rings. And yeah, I love the inside. Really nice, really pretty. And I don't, you know, I don't see any flaws, so hopefully it works well. And this is mine. I've already opened mine, and so amazing, right? Such a great deal. And then I found what I was looking for. Here it is. Yay! Okay, so recently I had seen Paige Evans. She has a new video, and she made memory decks, a bunch of memory decks cards. She made 3 from each of her collections, and she used this little memory decks box, and I thought, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's small. I've never seen this one. I've only seen the longer one, and I thought, you know, and I've had that in my cart on Amazon for a while, but anyway, I can't find it on Amazon now. So I thought, oh, this is cute because it's square. So it looks like a little, I don't know, 5x5 little box. So let me show you, because I did open mine, because I got one for my friend Sophia too. Yay! Such a great deal, and it was 70% off too, off the clearance. So oh my gosh, I was so happy. I saw this on their website and it was like 10 something, which was a really great deal already, because I think normally these are, I don't know, either like $20 or 15, something like that. And I got it for such a great deal. So what's nice about it is it comes like this. I've already opened mine, so let me show you. It's designed, I guess, so you can gift it to somebody. And so it's actually a box in a box. If I can get this out. So it's a black box on the bottom, and then the top has the Heidi Swapp logo there, her signature, and then this beautiful box, and you can close it. Isn't that pretty? And then you can wrap it with, they even give you a tag and a little ribbon, so you can gift it to somebody. So I thought that was really, really pretty. So she has this whole new line here. I've never seen it before, but I definitely wanted this little cutie right here. Look how small it is. I love it. It's like her other memory decks box, but it's smaller. It's like a mini. I love it. It has the book plate, and you know, I thought about constructing my own since I couldn't find it, and then there it was. I found it. So yay! So it comes with washi tape. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love that gingham. And then it comes with the memory decks. I guess these are the dividers, because I guess you can use it for actually putting, you know, I don't know, notes, I guess, or phone numbers. Anyway, I'm going to leave it like that for now. But these are the ones I really wanted. And I'm not sure if I'm going to actually use this, because I'm going to make some memory decks. I think I might. But they're great. Look, they're amazing. It comes with these acetate pieces, which are very, very sturdy. And this one says thankful, beautiful, happy, #boss, hello, and today. And you can like use that in one of these memory decks. Look how cute that is. You can just put it right there. Isn't that cute? So cute. And I got it for such a great deal that I'm so ecstatic. You have no idea. Because I was, you know, so disappointed when I didn't find it at the other Joann's, and then I found it, and for 70% off. Oh my gosh, it was a steal, such a steal. So yay. So anyway, thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great week, everybody.